Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to run a balance sheet report in QuickBooks Online. A balance sheet is essential for understanding your company's financial position at a specific point in time, which helps guide strategic business decisions. Start by navigating to the QuickBooks Online login page and clicking the Sign In button. Make sure you enter your login credentials carefully to avoid access issues. If you have multiple QuickBooks products, select QuickBooks Online from the list. This ensures you're using the correct tools tailored for your business needs. Once logged in, go to the Reports tab on the left-hand menu. This section contains all the financial reports QuickBooks offers. Use the search bar in the Reports section to quickly locate the balance sheet report. Typing balance sheet will filter the results and make it easier to find. Click on the balance sheet report to open it. Once open, you can customize the parameters to suit your needs. Adjust the date range to view the period you want and select the accounting basis, either cash or accrual, depending on your reporting preference. Review the report carefully to ensure all information is accurate. Regularly checking your balance sheet helps you track your company's financial health and make informed strategic decisions. And that's it. You've successfully run a balance sheet report in QuickBooks Online, giving you a clear view of your business's finances.